I am making a large wreath using boxwood, 2 types of eucalyptus, and some white Queen Anne's lace. Here I am making bouquets with the boxwood and eucalyptus, and I'm securing them together with the floral tape. I decided that I didn't want to use the floral tape, so I switched over to using zip ties to secure my bouquets. After I tie the bouquets, I also add some hot glue for extra security to make sure nothing comes apart. Here I begin assembling the wreath. I have to work from the back side of the frame to make sure each bouquet is secured tightly. I finished tying the 13 bouquets and I flipped the wreath over to take a look. I love how it looks, but I'm not happy with it. It looks too sparse, so I decided to make 13 more bouquets to fill it all in. I wanted to add a backing to the wreath so that when it is hung, it won't scratch any surface, and it gives the wreath a nice, complete look. Here is the finished boxwood and eucalyptus wreath. It's 28 inches in diameter, so it's a pretty big wreath. I didn't make it on a grapevine base because I knew it would be really heavy. Some people like to use command hooks, and using the wire-based frame made the wreath lighter at only 3 pounds. Please visit my website and see if there's something for you. Thanks for watching.